how to change audio on Instagram Reel after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram Reel audio. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Instagram app and then go to your profile and then go to the reel section. Now just tap on the reel and then you can go to the three dots in the right hand side and then you can go to manage and then tap on edit. However, unfortunately, you will not get the change music option here. So the option that you have is you can tap on delete and then you can upload the reel with another audio. So that's how you change audio on Instagram Reel. It is not possible to change it after you have posted. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.